Looking back, don't wanna forget you.
Hello beauties and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure to click that subscribe button, click the notification bell below, and follow me on social media. That being said, let's go ahead and move on to today's video. So to celebrate the first day of spring, I decided to get some new items to decorate my room. I still had a lot of Valentine's things up in my room, so I decided to take those down and go shopping to get some new items to decorate my room. I love decorating and I always love seeing what's new. So I did get some items from Marshall's. The first thing I got are these adorable towels from Rae Dunn. Like, how cute are these? They say Hello Spring and they're in the perfect blush color, and it comes in a pack of 2, so I absolutely love these. I also got this adorable mug, also from Rae Dunn. I'm telling you, she has like the cutest decor ever and it's absolutely gorgeous. It says Most Loved Mama. This is like perfect for me and it's in that beautiful pink color as well. And this was only like $5.99. So whenever I see like a beautiful pink mug, I get it. And this one here, absolutely had to. So the next thing I got are these adorable plant holders or cup holders. They are so cute. I got 2 of them and these have like little lips and eyelashes. Absolutely adorable. I don't know what I'm gonna put in these yet. You can put anything like a flower, a plant, brushes, anything, but I think I want to redo my coffee table just because I don't really like it how it looks right now, and I just wanted to like redo the whole thing. So that might be coming up soon. I'll show you how I decorated everything, but I do want to get like a new table. But I did get those and I thought those were so cute. I also got this really adorable little plant. Look how cute this is. It's artificial. I never buy anything real just because everything dies. Like, I am the worst at keeping live plants. They will literally die the next day. So I always go for the artificial ones, and this is so cute. It's in this really, really light pink color. It's gorgeous and it has like a little face, but I got this here so that I can put it somewhere here in the back. Also from Marshall's, I found this adorable little teddy bear with honey, and I got this so that I can set up my coffee table. It's gorgeous and it's glass, so I had to get this, and it was also like really cheap. I think it was only like $2.99. This reminds me of the Coco Chanel perfume. It's gorgeous. It's gold. It has like glitter in the background and then the pink perfume. But I still have to hang this up. I might hang that up like near my vanity. I thought this was like so cute, and I have so many picture frames, but I always like to change them around. I also got this beautiful little stand, and I don't even know what I'm gonna put in here yet. But I got it because I've seen this on Instagram. Some girls put perfumes, others put things for their coffee bar. So I don't know yet, but of course I had to get it. It's beautiful. This was only $14.99. It's gorgeous and it has these little rhinestones all around. So I got that as well. Also, my friend Rosa got me a couple items from a store where she lives that has really cute decor, especially for Easter right now. And she picked me up a few items, and I'm going to show you what she got me. So she got me this adorable little bunny. How cute is that? It's adorable. It's white and it has like little flowers. And then she also got me this beautiful pink one. It's absolutely stunning. So I'm so glad I got these here to put in my vanity and decorate my room. She also got me this cute little bunny. How cute is this? It's gorgeous. I'm like loving this so much. It's just very simple, but it's so cute. So she got me this as well. And then this adorable little frame that says Happy Easter, and it's filled inside. Like, how cute is this? And some Easter mugs. She actually got me 2. There's a pink one as well, which is in my dishwasher right now. I used it this morning. But it's just like this one, and it's light pink. And she sent me 2. So she sent me this like beautiful turquoise one and then the pink one, which is so cute. This is going to be perfect for like an Instagram photo. and I actually used the other one this morning to drink my coffee. So she got me those. She's super sweet. Her name is Rosa. She has a YouTube channel. It's My Little Pink Corner. I'll link it down below so you guys can subscribe to her. But I am so lucky that I have friends that live everywhere, because in my area they really don't have the cutest things. So yeah, she got me that. And then I almost forgot that I also got something at Amazon. I got this really cute book. It says The Pocket Coco Chanel Wisdom. It's just filled with quotes. If you guys know me on Instagram, I'm always like writing quotes. I love quotes, especially inspirational ones, and this here has like a bunch of them. I thought it was really cute, and it's perfect just to like display in the back as well. So that was it for today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down there below which item was your favorite. I really hope you have an amazing rest of your week. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!
I love how you look at me.